how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. So, if you want to see someone's recent followers on Instagram, then first of all, you need to open up your Instagram application. And then after opening, now you can simply go for the search icon, which is on the bottom left. And then you can go for the search bar. And from here, you can simply search any person that you would like. So I'll be choosing this person, and after choosing a person, now you can simply go for the followers, and here you will have all of the recent followers of this person. So let me tell you one thing, that if that person has hidden their followers list, then you won't have an idea of the recent followers, or you won't have the idea of any followers of that person. But here this person has not hidden, so I can see all of his followers. Or you can simply go for any other account, and here you can see that you can't tap on the followers and it won't load. Even if you tap on that, it won't load. So if their account is private, then you won't have an option to see the followers. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.